Are you aware of how you behave when you are communicating with other people? Hi everyone! Assalamualaikum! Welcome back to my channel, The Nervous Speaker. For today's video, we are going to explore a very significant topic. Of course, effective communication. And one of the key elements of effective communication is understanding the 4 different styles of communication. These are passive, aggressive, passive-aggressive, and assertive communication styles. This invites the question, do you know your communication style? Well, for today's video, I am going to share with you the 4 communication styles and how it impacts your communication interaction. If you want to know more about this, stick around till the end. Let's get started. Number 1, passive communication style. This kind of communication avoids direct expression of one's thoughts, ideas, and feelings. Bang pakato pa, sila iniin mga tao, mga communicators amon, di magbayta bang uning kabayaan nila or bang unuin halawang sin utok nila. Makad-makad na hadya sila bang uning kabayaan mo ato kabayaan sin kamatauran. In passive communicator, mahunit makipag-communicate kanya or makipagbisara kanya pasal, di siya magbabayta bang kiamuhan siya atawa mawaya siya sin halawang pikilan mo or tawa sin amon beta mo. So mahunit day siya makipagbisara ha passive communicator. Usually, in passive communicator, place the other people's needs before his needs. In belief niya, way rahalga sin halong utok niya atawa in mga kalagihan niya, in mga kagunahan niya, bukunda mas mahalga in duwing tao. So bihat to in passive communication style. Number 2, aggressive communication style. In aggressive communication style is the complete opposite of passive communication style. Passive, no direct expression. Dito naman sa aggressive, very direct in pag-express niya si needs niya because he believes that his needs is more important than other people's needs. So very confrontational to the point of being rude. Medyo kuminsan bastos na sila. Pasal in halaw pikilan nila, bang unuin halaw utok nila, better din ang kaibanan. Bang unuin kabayaan nila, mas importante. Always siya, pipikil niya bang uning kabayan niya. So, very selfish in communicator behavior ni. Very aggressive siya. Confrontational, at the same time, disrespectful. Okay, may kilala ka bang ganito? Number 3, passive-aggressive. And passive-aggressive is actually mas worse para kako compared sa aggressive. Kasi sila yung mga communicator who will tell you indirectly. So, haalupan mo, marayaw sila. Pag taykod mo, magngaw-ngaw. In other words, they do not express their thoughts, their feelings directly or in an open way, but they do it indirectly. So, pwedeng dinadaan nila sa pag-astul or being sarcastic, being insulting, o kaya bang dihilan mo sila hinang or task that they have to do it, they will not say no. They will not also say yes. They will accept it, but they will do it if they like to do it. In other words, palugayon nila in paghinang. Up until ikaw yastulan na kao. So, ganun yung mga passive-aggressive. In other words, bang sila mga tak, hakid, di sila mga tak nag-aalo. O, di ba? Sort of medyo panipo. Number 4, assertive communication style. Yung assertive communication style, dapat amo niya rin maging goal ta if you want to be an effective communicator. Because if you are an assertive communicator, you openly express your needs, your opinion to other people, but you do it in a polite way. Aside from that, you also consider other people's opinion. In other words, bukod ko bida-bida, magdungog ka, bang uning kabayaan sing kaibanan. Yeah, you are not afraid to speak your truth, but you are not also hesitant to accept other people's. So, in other words, very objective ka. Amo yan yung medyo poor communication style, amo yan yung pinakamarayo. But let's face it, at one point in our lives, or maybe up until now, we have done it. We are guilty of being passive, of being aggressive, passive-aggressive, and even being assertive. Well, depende kasi yan, bang issue nararata nagbisara. Usually, bang inarata nagbisara is, for example, older people, parents ta, atawa, magulang ta. Siyempre, passive kita. Siguro part of our culture, right? That we do not answer back. So, say for example, sa aggressive. Usually naman, if nauna yung emotion, piauna mo yung emotion before ka nagiging calm, usually, aggressive din tayo. Kaya kung minsan, pag may mga chismis na dumarating sa atin, o mga chismis si Bayda Kato, yung normal reaction is, astulan ka. Agon-agon, dahon mo na matto, dahan mo na utak. Amon, mga tak na kaumatto, pataon mo nagbisaraya to. Pero pag kalma ka, you think about it realistically, hindi ka masyadong nagre-react. You think through it first. So, ma-avoid yung pagiging aggressive. And then yung passive-aggressive naman, siguro it's about time. If you do not want, okay? If you do not want people monopolizing you, amon, dihilan lang ko hinang, and you don't like it, then speak about it. Bukod ko, amon, kawaon mo, kasi nga, hamiyatan, boss kasi siya. Pero pag taikot niya, mamisarahan ka. Mas mangi naman niya to. Mas better pa rin magiging honest tayo. Magiging open tayo, but in a respectful way. Yung pinaka-last, yung assertive, well, it's a little bit challenging. Mahunit kasi maging assertive. Siguro because of our culture, orientation ta, kaunitan kita magbisara sin uno to din halang utok ta or uno to din kabayan ta. Pasal, ang kita mga values, amon, we believe in those values na dapat bukod kita parati nagpipikil simbaran ta, that we should not always be selfish. Kaya yun, kung minsan, we just become passive, pasal, we want to keep the peace. Di kita mabay magkalo. Pero kung minsan, you need to speak up. Right? Okay. So it's a wrap for today's video. I hope you've learned something new, and I hope in your next conversation, you become more assertive in your interaction. But be polite. Thank you for watching, and for those na hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do click the subscribe button and also hit the like, and hopefully you will watch again mga upcoming videos ta if you want to improve your communication skills. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Assalamualaikum.